Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 19, 2024, Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 19, 2024, Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, April 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 19, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 41 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 77.5 million pesos for Friday, April 19, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of April 19, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.